Hi, third grade. Today is day number 2 of our color wheel project. You are going to need your crayons today. On a typical day, we would be using paint, but because of limited materials and whatnot, we're going to stick with crayons and we'll just improvise. That's what we've been doing all year anyway. So, at the top of your color wheel, at the number 12, I'm gonna use numbers all day today. So we're gonna start off with our primary colors. And at 12, the first primary color we're gonna use is yellow. Remember that the primary colors are the most important colors on the color wheel. They make every other color that we know. So we're gonna go ahead and start with 12 is yellow. We're gonna go down to 4, and we're gonna go ahead and do red. And I want you to stick with, if you have your crayons, not red, orange, or a different color. It needs to say red, it needs to say yellow, it needs to say blue, not some sort of variant, not some sort of kind of red, yellow, blue, okay? It needs to be the correct color for what we're doing today, okay? So red. And what's our last primary color that we need? It's blue. Okay, and I'm going to kind of rush along and kind of scribble scrabble for the rest of this, but you guys are going to take your time and hide the paper when you color. So now let's go in and let's worry about the spaces in between. Let's do our secondary colors. Yellow and red make what? Yellow and red make orange. All right, I'm going to scribble, but it'll look nice in my picture. What do red and blue make? Red mixed with blue paint make purple. And remember, color wheels are used for artists so they know how to mix colors. So red mixed with blue make purple. And then we have blue mixed with yellow that makes green. All right, now we have these spaces. This is where we're learning about intermediate colors. The primary and secondary colors should be reviewed to you. The intermediate colors are when you have a primary and a secondary color that are mixed together. So you're going to kind of figure out how to solve this on your own. Yellow mixed with orange makes a color called yellow-orange. So you're going to find your yellow crayon, and you're going to find your orange crayon, and you're going to color it in. It should look more yellow than it does orange because the color is yellow-orange. All right, and I'm scribbling, but you're going to make yours look nice. All right, this color right here, this intermediate color is between orange and red. So we're going to have red-orange. So the color should look more red than orange. Okay. In this space, it's between red and purple. So what would the color be? And remember, the other name for purple is violet. So red, violet, and it should look reddish. Reddish purple, reddish violet. All right, and then we have this between blue and violet. So it's blue violet. So I'm getting my blue crayon and my purple crayon for blue violet. And then we have blue green, blue, and we know this because it's between blue and green. Blue first, and then green. These are all called intermediate colors. And I'll fix this. You'll see a nice example in a little bit. And then this is the last intermediate color we have between yellow and green. So we're going to go ahead and put yellow first, and then green. So it'll look like a lime green. So I want you guys to think of intermediate colors. If you think of your Crayola crayons, these are those fancy colors that you find in your packs. So this might be lime green. This could be dandelion. All right, it has those fun little names, turquoise. But the real name on the color wheel is yellow green, yellow orange, red violet, blue green. That's the correct name, and those are all considered intermediate colors. All right, next week, the next video, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do like a little diagram to finish up this project. All right, keep up the good work. Bye, friends.